Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem that many data analysts encounter in their day-to-day work. In this case, we're faced with the challenge of handling a dataset that already has answers provided, requiring us to come up with a novel approach to extract the necessary information. Now, let's delve into the solution for this particular problem. The code snippet provided showcases a straightforward approach to address the issue at hand. By utilizing a generator of when-then expressions to create masked columns and leveraging the coalesce function to combine these columns, we can efficiently process the data. Additionally, a Python loop over the unique elements in the largest column is utilized to further enhance the manipulation of the dataset. Building upon the previous explanation, the code snippet culminates in the generation of a new column named largest_count within the data frame. This column aggregates the masked values derived from the largest column, providing a consolidated view of the data. The resulting data frame showcases the transformation applied, with the largest_count column serving as a pivotal indicator of the processed information. In conclusion, we have successfully tackled the initial problem by implementing a structured solution that optimizes the data processing workflow. By carefully following the steps outlined, we were able to generate valuable insights from the dataset and streamline the analysis process. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts because data manipulation can be fun too.